Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen counter where I will be unboxing these Amazon $14.99 made in China LED dual mode projector driving lights. They have come with minimal expectations at $15, but by the size and appearance of the box I am already impressed. These look like one of the same lights offered by ADV Monster. There's another seller on Amazon that had the exact same lights for $64.99, which I had originally put in my cart and then canceled when I saw these ones at $14.99. I figured, what have I got to lose? Let's take a look what's in the box. Like I said, by the packaging, I'm pretty impressed. The $14.99 light system, I kind of half expected to come in either a plain brown cardboard box or honestly just a bag. This is, honestly, if these lights even work, it will be exceptional at 15 bucks. I mean, look at this box. I've bought electronics. You have magnetic closure. I mean, I don't know. I've never seen anything $15 came in a box that nice. I will add that I don't do a lot of YouTube videos. Mainly I'm doing this one because I looked extensively for some coverage on these lights and I found nothing. Wow. The wire comes out of the side of the light. It's got some nice protection on it. It seems to be somewhat sturdy. These are a projector lamp. It can be mounted, and with the bracket that you find here, it's called a stainless steel bracket. It's got a powder coat on it, so I'm not about to verify. But you can mount these lights with the bracket on any of four sides. Now I'm pretty sure I read that the wire is supposed to come out the bottom to be aimed correctly. I'm going to have to look a little bit more. There's no instructions, so I'm going to have to verify that by mounting it and seeing where the beam points. Now if you look here, I don't know if this is going to pick up on the camera, it's just my phone, but you can see there's a focused strip through the middle. This does not line up directly with the holes for mounting, which would be also where the wire comes out. I don't know if you want to bear with me, but I'm going to take the ring off. There doesn't seem to be any reason I can't. Oh no, it's keyed. So it is keyed in this position. Oops. It is keyed in this position. It does have an O-ring behind the lens. They are saying, I believe, IP68 waterproof rating on these. The O-ring's a good start. Oh. Okay, so it is keyed, but I can aim this. So you can turn it with your finger and then tighten the lock ring back up. So we have two lights. These lights have a yellow tinted, what I would call a fog beam. They refer to them as the low beam and the high beam. It's supposed to be 2600 lumens in white I don't know how I did that. I have to go back and double check the first one because I really don't understand how that turned. Shouldn't turn. So you can see it's keyed in right here. It is straight now. I'm not gonna bore you guys to death. Anyway, there's this bag of hardware which I will use some of. I'm not gonna use these big ugly long bolts because I really don't think those are gonna be necessary. There is actually a wiring harness which I was expecting to have to build my own with some kind of power ballast regulator inline. The wires I read were a little light. I would say they definitely are a little light. They're probably 18 gauge, which is not impressive, but we do have what appears to be a waterproof coupling from the harness to the light. These are impressive looking lights just from appearance. I'd say if they work, and the little bit of imagery that I've seen mostly out of India on YouTube or maybe Bangladesh, I mean, it's a nice case. It's got a heatsink. It does have a fan drive cool for the LEDs. Definitely people have had concerns about the longevity of the fan drive, but then they also seem to come back in the reviews and say that after several months they've had no problems with the fan drive. So all in all, you can see this in the palm of my hand. It's not big. I'm really looking forward to putting this on my BMW F650 GS Dakar and getting a little bit of extra light. As anybody can imagine, with an older bike, and even a lot of newer bikes, some supplemental lighting is going to be very beneficial. All in all, this is a really nice kit. I mean, I can't believe it was $14.99, honestly. I'll try to post a video after I build a mounting bracket and install these on the bike so you can have a look at them. Thanks for watching.